Hey there, and hey, welcome back to the channel. I want to make your job easier, so I do videos like this to show you how to remove door panel. I thought this would be a good one to do. Hail damage, obviously. I'm locked out. Anyway, it's been a while since I've done this one, so oh yeah. It's been a while since I've done this one, so I thought this would be a good one to do. So if you've got this old style Chevrolet pickup, these are really popular. But anyway, you've got some hidden fasteners, 7mm bolts. There's going to be one right behind here. So I usually take something like this. Oh, hey, not on this one. Okay, well, on other models, they usually have one. There's one right hidden back here. If I remember correctly, once you get those fasteners, the panel actually just pulls up, lifts up. I don't think there are any clips on this one. Like I said, it has been a while since I've done one, but they're very similar. And like I said, there used to be one on some models. I think they do have a fastener that's hidden there. Just remember having to always pop that off. And then, of course, when you go put it back on, trying to make sure that you put it on the right way so it's not backwards when they're trying to lock and unlock their door, that kind of stuff. But like I said, 7mm here. I'll be surprised if that's the only fastener on here. Like I said, it's been quite a while since I've done one. Okay, let's take off. Yes, had some serious hail come through the area. Look at that, I got one 7mm down here. So, and it might be because this is the HD version of the truck. This is not a 1500. This is a 2500 HD. So you get your fasteners loose. You just pull up on the panel. Actually has these little hooks here. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera. The hook into the door, and it's got that all the rest of the round. So once you get your fasteners removed, it comes right up. So then of course we got our switch. We need to disconnect. Whoa, that one kind of came apart. That wasn't supposed to do that. So I got a cover here. Looks like it came off. Well, that's good. Shake out the glass. I'm not going to start singing Taylor Swift. I don't hear that song too often, but you get the idea. Alright, snap that back on, but this does have a push right there that comes off. So now, it's a matter of cleaning this up. We've got an outer belt molding inner, this here. Get that pulled up. Of course, this pops off here. This window is really square, so you have to pull these things to get this thing in there. And of course, you got to make sure your glass is clear on your channel. Most of the videos done recently are all stuff that I pulled out salvage yard, which, by the way, if you are a do-it-yourself guy and you like to order a part on eBay, you can find parts like these on our eBay store, and then order it, depending how far away you are, free shipping, and then you'll have a video, of course, to go inside with it so you'll know what to do. So, weather barrier. This one's pretty wide open. I'll be able to get a vacuum in here really great. Be able to vacuum clean this up. Sometimes, some models, depending on the weather barrier, sometimes you do pull the speaker, not on this one, obviously. There's lots of room. Get in here with the vacuum cleaner. Vacuum this up so it's not shaking like a Maranca. And then, of course, install a door glass. But this one, pretty straightforward. 2004 and up through 07. This is the Chevrolet 2500 HD. Similar to the 1500, of course, 2500 or 3500. From the outside is best. You can get it down on that track. And one thing I did forget to mention is that there are no fasteners on the glass. Just straight glass. It's got a rubber boot down here and then a tightener. You want to tighten these until it's just snug. Don't over tighten. You over tighten, you take a chance to break the glass. So just tighten it. That's it. Hope that was helpful.